You sit in a quiet room. A contract lies in front of you. No logo, no name, just one line written at the top. Everything you want, in exchange for everything you are. You stare at it. Your hands are shaking. You've been broke for years. Ignored, disrespected, invisible. And now, this. A man sits across from you, calm, silent, watching. He doesn't explain anything. He doesn't need to, because deep down, you already understand. You pick up the pen. Your mind screams, "Don't do it!" But your life whispers,
"You have nothing to lose."
You sign. The next morning, everything changes. Your phone won't stop ringing. Opportunities appear out of nowhere. Money flows in. People who ignored you now listen to you, respect you, follow you. Your life finally starts making sense. But something feels off. At night, you can't sleep. You hear whispers, not outside, inside your head. Your thoughts don't feel like yours anymore. Days pass. Your success grows faster than you ever imagined. But so does the silence inside you. You don't feel happy. You don't feel proud. You feel empty. One night, you look in the mirror, and for a second, you don't recognize yourself. Your reflection is smiling.